Get ready to explore the wildest, most powerful weather on Earth. Let's see how many you can get. What is this spinning funnel cloud of extremely high winds called? Is it A, blizzard, B, tornado, or C, monsoon? It's B, tornado! Nailed it. They spin at incredible speeds. What massive spinning storm is shown here from space? Is it A, hurricane, B, dust storm, or C, thunderstorm? It's A, hurricane! Boom! These giant storms span hundreds of miles. What bright flash of electricity is this? Is it A, aurora, B, lightning, or C, meteor? It's B, lightning. Shocking, right? It is hotter than the sun. What colorful arch appears when sunlight shines through raindrops? Is it A, rainbow, B, fog bow, or C, sunbeam? It's A, rainbow. Beautiful. Light bends inside the water droplets. What do we call a severe snowstorm with very high winds and low visibility? Is it A, avalanche, B, ice age, or C, blizzard? It's C, blizzard! Brr, chilly. Winds blow snow everywhere. What are these frozen balls of rain called? Is it A, snowballs, B, hailstones, or C, sleet? It's B, hailstones! Ouch! Ice chunks tossed by strong winds. What is this low-lying cloud that makes it hard to see outside? Is it A, fog, B, smog, or C, dew? It's A, fog. Spot on. It is just a ground-level cloud. What happens when too much rain overflows onto dry land? Is it A, tsunami, B, drought, or C, flood? It's C, flood! Wow! Water rises and covers dry land. What do we call a long period of time with no rain? Is it A, drought, B, heat wave, or C, famine? It's A, drought. Oh no, dry. Rivers and lakes can empty. What massive wall of blowing sand is this? Is it A, blizzard, B, dust storm, or C, avalanche? It's B, dust storm. Dusty. Strong winds lift dry soil high. What is a long period of unusually hot weather called? Is it A, solstice, B, heat wave, or C, equinox? It's B, heat wave. Scorching. Temperatures stay super high for days. What loud sound is made by lightning? Is it A, sonic boom, B, thunder, or C, echo? It's B, thunder. Boom! Lightning heats the air, making noise. What is moving air called? Is it A, wind, B, draft, or C, current? It's A, wind. Whoosh! Uneven heating of Earth creates breezes. What is liquid precipitation falling from the sky? Is it A, sleet, B, hail, or C, rain? It's C, rain! Splish splash, water droplets falling from clouds. What is a spinning funnel of water called? Is it A, whirlpool, B, waterspout, or C, geyser? It's B, waterspout. Neat. It is a tornado over water. What is the calm center of a hurricane called? Is it A, the eye, B, the core, or C, the hub? It's A, the eye! Incredible! It is surprisingly quiet in there. What are these seasonal winds that bring heavy rain to Asia? Is it A, trade winds, B, monsoons, or C, hurricanes? It's B, monsoons! So wet. They cause seasonal heavy downpours. What are these beautiful glowing lights in the polar skies called? Is it A, supernovas, B, auroras, or C, solar flares? It's B, auroras. Gorgeous. Solar particles colliding with our atmosphere. What storm coats everything in a thick layer of glazed ice? Is it A, ice storm, B, hailstorm, or C, frostbite? It's A, ice storm, slippery. Freezing rain coats everything in ice. What is this giant, rotating thunderstorm called? Is it A, supercell, B, squall line, or C, cyclone? It's A, supercell, intense. These huge storms can spawn tornadoes. What fast-moving, massive dust storm is pushed by a thunderstorm? Is it A, haboob, B, tornado, or C, simoom? It's A, haboob. Oof, tricky. Giant dust walls in dry regions. What metal pole is used to safely divert lightning to the ground? Is it A, conductor pole, B, lightning rod, or C, spark arrestor? It's B, lightning rod. Safety first. It directs electricity away safely. What tool is used to measure wind speed? Is it A, barometer, B, anemometer, or C, thermometer? It's B, anemometer. Nice one. Spinning cups measure the breeze. What instrument measures atmospheric pressure? Is it A, barometer, B, hygrometer, or C, altimeter? It's A, barometer. Brilliant! It helps scientists predict weather changes. What tool measures the amount of liquid precipitation? Is it A, rain gauge, B, siphon, or C, hygrometer? It's A, rain gauge. Spot on. It collects and measures rainfall. What are these delicate ice crystals that form on leaves overnight? Is it A, dew, B, frost, or C, sleet? It's B, frost. So pretty. Water vapor freezes on cold plants. What spinning column of heat and flame is this? Is it A, fire whirl, B, volcano, or C, lahar? It's A, fire whirl. Yikes, wild. Rising heat spins the flames. What fast-moving flow of wet soil can be triggered by heavy rain? Is it A, sinkhole, B, avalanche, or C, mudslide? It's C, mudslide. Watch out, heavy rain turns hills into mud. What flying saucer-shaped clouds often form over mountains? Is it A, cumulus, B, stratus, or C, lenticular clouds? It's C, lenticular clouds. So cool. They look like alien spaceships. What rare, mysterious weather phenomenon looks like a floating, glowing sphere? Is it A, ball lightning, B, will-o'-the-wisp, or C, St. Elmo's fire? It's A, ball lightning. Mysterious, a rare and glowing electrical sphere. What glowing light appears on pointed objects like ship masts during storms? Is it A, aurora, B, St. Elmo's fire, or C, green flash? It's B, St. Elmo's fire! Incredible! It is glowing atmospheric plasma. What do we call a widespread, long-lasting, straight-line windstorm? Is it A, derecho, B, tornado, or C, cyclone? It's A, derecho. Tough one. These storm winds travel fast. What amazing phenomenon happens inside a volcanic eruption cloud? Is it A, volcanic lightning, B, solar wind, or C, acid rain? It's A, volcanic lightning. Mind-blowing. Ash particles rubbing together make sparks. What sudden, intense downdraft of wind can crash airplanes? Is it A, draft, B, microburst, or C, jet stream? It's B, microburst. Whoa, a powerful blast of sinking air. What are these ice structures that grow on freezing autumn plants? Is it A, frost flowers, B, icicles, or C, snowflakes? It's A, frost flowers. Beautiful. Ice extrudes from cold plant stems. What rare optical event happens just as the sun sets or rises? Is it A, green flash, B, solar eclipse, or C, red giant? It's A, green flash. Magic! A momentary green spot appears. What are tiny, ground-level ice crystals that sparkle in the sun? Is it A, sleet, B, diamond dust, or C, hoarfrost? It's B, diamond dust. Shiny, tiny ice crystals floating in air. What is a sudden, intense burst of heavy snow and winds called? Is it A, snow squall, B, glacier, or C, avalanche? It's A, snow squall. Intense! A brief, blinding burst of snow. What rare event is a snowstorm accompanied by lightning? Is it A, thundersnow, B, supercell, or C, frost lightning? It's A, thundersnow. Rare! Lightning flashes during a heavy snowstorm. What soft, small white pellets of ice are also called soft hail? Is it A, sleet, B, graupel, or C, hail? It's B, graupel. Tricky! Supercooled water droplets freezing on snowflakes. What do we call cold, heavy air rushing down a mountain? Is it A, monsoon, B, katabatic wind, or C, thermal wind? It's B, katabatic wind. Tough. Gravity pulls cold air downward. What pouch-like clouds often hang under severe thunderstorms? Is it A, mammatus clouds, B, cirrus clouds, or C, cumulonimbus? It's A, mammatus clouds. Weird. They look like hanging round pouches. Which lake in Venezuela experiences lightning up to 280 times per hour? Is it A, Lake Victoria, B, Lake Baikal, or C, Lake Maracaibo? It's C, Lake Maracaibo. Electrifying. It is the world's lightning capital. Where did the tallest tsunami wave in recorded history occur in 1958? Is it A, Lituya Bay, B, Tokyo Bay, or C, Indian Ocean? It's A, Lituya Bay. Huge! The wave reached 1,720 feet. What color was the famous mysterious rain that fell on Kerala, India in 2001? Is it A, green, B, red, or C, black? It's B, red! Bizarre! Algae spores colored the raindrops red. Where in Australia does the rare, roll-shaped morning glory cloud predictably form? Is it A, Sydney Harbour, B, Gulf of Carpentaria, or C, Great Barrier Reef? It's B, Gulf of Carpentaria. Amazing! A giant rolling cloud tube. Where is the driest place on Earth, which hasn't seen rain in millions of years? Is it A, Sahara Desert, B, Atacama Desert, or C, McMurdo Dry Valleys? It's C, McMurdo Dry Valleys. Shocking! It is a dry Antarctic desert. What is the pleasant, earthy smell called that occurs when rain hits dry soil? Is it A, ozone, B, petrichor, or C, geosmin? It's B, petrichor. Lovely. It is released by soil bacteria. What optical phenomenon creates a rainbow-like halo around an airplane's shadow? Is it A, glory, B, corona, or C, mirage? It's A, glory! Colorful. Light scatters back from cloud droplets. What are these wind-carved, wave-like ridges in hard snow called? Is it A, sastrugi, B, crevasses, or C, moraines? It's A, sastrugi. Cool! Wind carves hard, snowy waves. What are these bright spots that appear on either side of the sun? Is it A, sundogs, B, sunspots, or C, solar flares? It's A, sundogs. Neat! Ice crystals bend the sunlight. Where was the hottest, reliably recorded air temperature on Earth measured? Is it A, Sahara Desert, B, Death Valley, or C, Loot Desert? It's B, Death Valley. Sizzling. It hit a crazy 134 degrees. What wave-like cloud formations are caused by severe wind shear? Is it A, Kelvin-Helmholtz waves, B, asperitas waves, or C, cirrocumulus? It's A, Kelvin-Helmholtz waves. Wave on. They look like ocean waves. What is precipitation called that evaporates before reaching the ground? Is it A, virga, B, mizzle, or C, sleet? It's A, virga! Wow, rain trails that disappear in mid-air. What cloud type looks like the chaotic, undulating surface of a stormy sea? Is it A, asperitas, B, undulatus, or C, noctilucent? It's A, asperitas. Striking. They look like a rough sea. What is the scientific name for beautiful sunbeams filtering through clouds? Is it A, crepuscular rays, B, anti-crepuscular rays, or C, Tyndall effect? It's A, crepuscular rays. Majestic. Light beams shining through clouds. How did you do? Tell us your score in the comments and subscribe for more fun quizzes.